See, anything to be established in port water, one has to take permission from the port. There is offshore shacks or anything, any structures. Earlier one agency has approached us in Bayana with the permission of they have been allotted shacks from the State Tourism Department. Then we are gone to the site and observed things. We have found that it's not disturbing our port activity. We are given NOC, no issue at all. We are cooperating with the state. We are, in fact, allotting shacks is not our core activity. Still, we are permitting because state government agenda it is. So, in future also, wherever state government is allotting permission for shacks, we will go and check the feasibility, we will give permission. However, if they are who are establishing shacks, they have to pay as per the port SOR rates. That's a very SOR rules we are not fixing. It is fixed by TAM, Tariff Authority of India. So we will be cooperating with the state government for their tourism activities.
Sir, in ROCM also you all have the jurisdiction of MPD.
Some extent we got jurisdiction because I don't know exactly. Once it has happened in the past, one barge accident happened. So we have gone and seen. We have seen some limit we got it.
So, sir, there was confusion that MPD is creating issue. It is all false. So
not at all, not at all.
You are willing to give the NOC?
Never go against the wishes of the state government, especially tourism, because our cruise activities are only to boost tourism in Goa. So that's no question. We are going against activities of the state.
So MPD is willing to give NOC whenever any applications is made.
Provided that if that should not be hindrance to any port activity.
Okay.
If it is hindrance port activity, we will see, find some other solution. But we will never go in negative mindset.
Thank you so much.